Hey ladies, it's Joanna here. So this workout is a targeted workout focusing mainly on your hips. So for those of you who might be self-conscious in regards to having bulge around the hip area, this workout will help to tone your hips up, giving you firmer and also solid looking hips, okay? So there will be 6 exercises. We will mix it up between strength training and also cardio workout. So it's all about your hips, so get them moving. Each workout will be for 30 seconds long with 10 seconds in between. So it's a very short rest. Basically, I want you to do each workout back to back with minimal rest, okay? So the first workout is going to be a curtsy lunge. Stand shoulder width apart, toes pointed forward and hands by your hips. And I want you to cross over, lunge, feel your hips and twist and cross. Good. It's all about the hip movement. So twist, lunge, cross over, lunge and feel your glutes and each side of your hip as well, okay? Good. So remember to always keep your knees bent and go low, twist and lunge, okay? It is a targeted workout. It's all about working on your legs, your hips and your core as well. Keep going, lunge, good. Rest it out, 10 seconds. Second workout, sumo squat pulses. So stand wide, okay, toes pointed out. I want you to just give me small pulses, okay? So just lift it up, down and lift it up. That's it. Tiptoe, tiptoe, okay? Go low, stay low, maintain this position, go low and tiptoe. You will also feel on your inner thighs. Good. Keep low, okay? Do not come up right now. Stay low and point. Very nice. Keep going, tiptoe, point it. Nice. Lift your heels off. Feel your inner thighs, feel your glutes, the outer part of your glutes working, and rest it out. In and out squat. Again, it's all about small movements, but you will really feel it. So start low, okay? Start with the in. I want you to step out, step in, step out, and step in. The goal here is to stay low, okay? The more you stay low, the more your legs will be on fire. Good. Stay low. Feel your hips out and down. Good. In and out. Very nice. Keep going. In and out and in. Nice. Go low and feel your thighs burning. And rest it out. Grab your mat. Let's move on to Spiderman, okay? So get down onto the mat. Low and let's go into a plank. And let's go Spiderman, crunch it. Good. Nice. Move your hips, bring your knee to your elbow. Very good. There you go. Knee touching the elbow, keeping your back flat and crunching on your outer hips. Okay, so spread it, open it wide, bring it to the side. Very good. Keep going. Nice. Last few more. And now let's get into a low plank, okay? So start low. I want you to give me plank hip dip. So in a low plank and just dip side to side. Good. So again, it's all about the hips moving and twisting and targeting those muscles. Good. Dip to your left, to your right, to your left and to your right. Halfway there. Very good. Nice. And last one more on each side. Good. And now give me the final workout, knee hops. All right. So start in a high plank. I want you to hop to the left and to the right, okay? Let's go. Hop left, center, right, center. Left, center, right, center. Good. Keep going. This is a little bit of cardio. Could get your heart rate up. Center, left, center, right, center. Good. 10 more seconds. Right, left, right, and keep going. You're strong. Last few more. And that is all the 6 exercises. Get back up. Let's not stop now. Let's get back into curtsy lunge, all right? So stand straight and let's go. Lunge to your side, to your side. Good. So non-stop, 8 minutes. Good. Step to your side and go deep. Okay? Every time you dig deep, that's when you will feel your muscles working even more. Dig deep, knee almost touching the floor, and come back up. Nice. Down, up, down, and up. Last one, and rest it out. 10 precious seconds, okay? Now, stand wide, sumo squat with pulses, okay? Wide, let's go down and up. Tiptoe, 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 good. If you can, stand wider, tiptoe and tiptoe. Very nice. Good. Feel your inner thighs burning, your outer thighs, look straight ahead. Open up your chest, look straight. Nice. Keep going. My thighs are burning, my inner thighs are burning, but that's the burn you want. Keep going, point. Last 2 more, point, point, and 10 precious seconds. And now in and out, okay? So, start low, legs together, and step out. Let's go. Out, in, and in. Small steps. Remember, keep your body low, look straight ahead, okay? Open up your chest, do not hunch forward. Okay, so open up your chest, point your butt back, push your butt back, open and close. Woo! My thighs are burning. Let's go, ladies. Work on those hips. Work on them. Good. Go deep, go low, and rest it out. Spiderman Plank. Okay, get down onto the floor. Ready or not? Let's go. Knee to elbow. Good. Crunch it. Crunch. Stay strong. Strong upper body. Strong core. Strong hips. So spread your legs to the side. Spread it. Bring your knee to your elbow. Okay, the more you spread it, the more you will be working on your hips and also your obliques to tone them up. Keep going. Spread. Last one more. And rest. Plank dips right now, okay? So get into a low plank and give me a nice deep dips. Okay, good. Let's go left to right. Touch gently. Relax your shoulders. Look ahead. Look straight ahead. Breathe. Deep, dip, and dip. Good. Left to right. Do not lift your body too high up. Maintain a flat plank position. Very good. Deep, deep, and nice. Few more. And rest it out. You got one last workout, okay? Which is going to be plank hops, all right? Bring up your heart rate. And high plank, let's go. Left, center, right. Good. Come on, last 30 seconds, and you are done. Keep going. Left, center, right. Whew. Pace your breathing. Breathe in and out. You have 10 seconds left. Do not stop right now. I know you're feeling the burn, and that is exactly what I want you to feel. Left to right, and rest it out. You should be sweating slightly. You should feel that your hips, your legs, and your core are working together as a unit, and that you will only get stronger, okay? Ladies, so do this workout at least 2 to 3 times weekly. Work on your hip muscles. Remember, it's all about combining strength and also cardio workout. Breathe. If you want to challenge yourself, repeat the entire circuit once more. If you're sweating like me, give this video a thumbs up, share this video on with your friends, get them to sweat with you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more crazy workout challenges and all kinds of workout to tone up on your arms, your hips, your core, basically your entire body. I have lots of healthy recipes as well, so do check them out. All the best.